Melanie Mundell teaches biotechnology at the Newark Charter Junior-Senior High School. Prior to arriving at the high school in 2014, she taught 7th grade life sciences at Newark Charter Middle School. Before that, she spent 10 years teaching biological, physical, and environmental sciences at Del Castle Technical Vocational High School. She has a BS in biology and a Master of Instruction, both from the University of Delaware. Biotechnology Research and Development is a 3-course career and technical education instructional program at Newark Charter High. Biotechnology relates to the manipulation of living things or components of living things to create a product or service that is beneficial for humans. The dogma of biology, DNA to RNA to protein, is the dominant theme in biotechnology, especially since so much of this field is focused on proteins. Many of the following representative class experiences address this theme. Level 1 biotechnology students experimented on the impact of lactase concentration on glucose creation. Students researched about marketable enzymes, formulated a hypothesis, developed a protocol, and individually analyzed the results. Another student-designed lab investigated the effects of alcohol concentration on DNA purity testing. Students in the second level worked as a team to design a protocol to not only extract DNA, but to determine the best alcohol concentration for extracting the purest DNA. To calculate purity, they used the UV spectrophotometer to find the absorbance. They determined the optical density at 2 spectrum locations to discover how pure their trial samples were, so they would know what % alcohol they would use if they were marketing DNA purity kits. Just before the school's closing for the coronavirus, a student team did a project on COVID. They adapted a flu testing lab kit to show how real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, or RT-PCR, testing for COVID would work. As part of each year in their coursework, students produce virtual posters of disease research such as these. Here, students use column chromatography and polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis to separate and purify green and blue fluorescent protein. They test the purity by running the gel and making a standardized curve to check for molecular weight. This is a virtual poster used in the presentation given at Newark on sickle cell anemia. In preparation, students conducted a Southern blot test for sickle cell in class. They worked with healthcare professionals, the patient, patient families, and their teacher. The University of Delaware was so thrilled with their project and presentation that they had one of the students present it at the IDEA Symposium. Biotechnology is a college preparatory pathway open to all students at Newark Charter High. It is popular for many reasons, including the fact that the Health Occupation Students of America, HOSA, Future Health Professionals, is affiliated with the program. In the past 3 years, each year 20% of the students' graduates have planned to enroll in college academic majors that can lead to careers in health professions or the life sciences, the 2 areas most related to Mrs. Mundell's specialties.